Hello guys, Tim with the Pond Crew. So, one devastating thing that happened during Hurricane Ian is the wall came down. So, came out here one day, fixing it back up, and here you go. Take a look at it. Ain't she beautiful? One great thing about the nursery is that you get to see different displays of our water features. So, what you see here, I know it's a lot to comprehend in one take, but if you look at it, you can add it to your property at any time. Like if you want a water feature with just the walls, you could do that. It's just, there's endless possibilities of what you guys can do. Like I said, when you walk in the nursery, you see a whole bunch of different stuff. Even if you want like a waterfall and you want one of these beautiful bowls going into the waterfalls or something like that, we can always do that. Whatever we can accommodate for you to make your water feature one of a kind, we're down to do it. From features like little old this to this, endless possibilities.